Hey, what's up? This is Rob from Panther, and today we're going to check out how to make this abstract blend in Illustrator. Step 1, click on the stroke, click on the none, click on the fill. I gotta go with black. I gotta select the ellipse tool, press and hold Shift plus Alt, create a circle, press and hold Alt, drag it to the right, also press Shift to isolate. And we're gonna recolor this however you like. I gotta go with an orange this time. Select both, go to Object, click on Blend, click on Make. And if it doesn't look like this, you can go and double click on the blend tool here, select specified steps and type in 250. Click OK. I'm gonna press and hold Shift, scale it a little bit. I'm gonna press and hold Alt, drag it to the right, also press Shift. This way we're going to create another copy, and I'm going to create another copy of this one. Press and hold Alt, drag it down, also press Shift until they're going to intersect like that. I'm going to double click on this circle, double click on again, and drag it to the left, also press Shift until they intersect on the left side. Double click here somewhere to release. I'm going to select this shape, press and hold Shift and rotate in the opposite direction in order to create some contrast in between the shapes. I'm gonna select these two. I'm gonna press Ctrl G to group them. And I'm gonna go here to the rotate tool, double click on it, and I'm gonna type in 30 degrees, click OK. I'm going to do the same thing with this one, double click on the rotate tool, it's on 30, click OK. Now I'm going to rearrange this, I'm going to drag it down, also press Shift, select all of it, press and hold Alt, drag it down, also press Shift until they start intersecting. Now press Ctrl D to duplicate. Now I'm going to select the top one, right click on Group, and I'm gonna select this, press and hold Alt, drag it up, also press Shift until it starts intersecting. Press and hold Shift, rotate into the opposite direction. I'm gonna do the same thing with this. I'm gonna select it, press and hold Alt, and we're gonna drag it to the bottom until they intersect like that. I'm gonna select all, right click, group, and this is how you make this a really cool looking blend shape in Illustrator. Thanks so much for watching, and if you're new in the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the rest of the videos at the end. Have a good one. Bye bye.